Welcome to EdTech Tuesday. I'm Rich Dixon.
Hey, and I'm Jennifer Gibson. And today, Rich, we're going to talk about dust.
Dust. Is this a science lesson, a science resource? What are we talking about here?
It's an alternative reality.
Wow. I want to take a look at this. So go ahead and begin. Lead us.
So dust is a simulation about a dust cloud. And the whole idea is that students are going to participate in this alternative reality simulation. It only happens certain times of the year. So as a teacher or even a parent after school leader, you would create a group. You must have 8 students to participate in the AR simulation. And you go through and you problem solve. The age group, and I'm just going to show you some of the photos. You can just see how beautiful this is.
The website is really well done. It's gorgeous.
The age group is for middle school and high school students.
Okay.
So it says, we need your help to solve this mystery. And then it goes through, it talks about this story, there's fictional characters, and they get really involved. And so it shows that, you know, you've got this information. The types of players in this are the Science Foundation, Brigham Young University. A number of universities have been involved in putting this together. There's that whole cartoon bringing in photos from NASA.
It's like a little graphic novel element.
Mm-hmm. And so the player version, the live version will come up again in the fall. Right now, you can't play it, but you can take a look at some of the videos and the feedback here. Like I said, a parent can lead a group. To play, you have, I believe, a certain time commitment that you need to be willing to make. So I see this as being something that could be done after school with interested students that want to participate, before school, or even in a class that might be, you know, needing a little extra support, that wants to learn more about physics and science, or that a class that just wants to have multi-age students together.
Okay, so this is something that will help them with physics. It sounds like there might be other disciplines that come into play as well.
Oh yes, definitely. The physics, science, math. You can read all about dust on their website. Be sure to Google dust game or look at the URL here on our screen. You can see that it gives you a lot of information, when it's available to play, who made it, and it gives you the Science Foundation, the National Science Foundation.
Well, I want to ask a question. What does this cost? Because
it's free.
Oh, wow.
It's completely free.
And I'm assuming you need to be able to have a device that has an internet connection, seeing that we're looking at a web page.
Right.
Anything else that's required?
Well, actually, what's so cool is there's multiple devices. Social media is involved in it, cell phone use, tablets. So there's a lot of interactive pieces, and I can just see it being really compelling for a lot of students.
Now, students, would they be interacting with other students in other locations?
Yes.
Okay.
They are teams. And so it's very inquiry-based. It's a lot of hypothesis and trying those and testing those out. So you'll be going against other teams and solving these kinds of situations, this dust cloud.
Okay, let's talk about next generation science standards. Is there any overlap or connection there?
It's actually connected to the next generation science standards and bringing in that rigor and relevance, because we know environmental situations can arise pretty quickly, and how are cities and communities prepared to handle them. And our next generation of kids, really, they need to have these skills.
This is a very interesting resource, and I think definitely it is worth checking out.
Definitely.